In this question, it is given that if the area of the region bounded by the curves this and this is A, then 8A is equal to dash. You have is equal to, then 8A is equal to dash. You have to fill in the blank. It's very easy, just board level question. Still, I will do it. Clearly, the graph of y square minus 2y equal to minus x, that is x equal to minus y square plus 2y, will have graph of the type this, where this point will be having y coordinate 2, and it is also clear that this means y equal to minus x. The graph of y equal to minus x will be this line, and because this is the region bounded by this curve and this curve, hence I can say this area is A because the area bounded is given as A, and we have to find the value of 8A. First of all, we will have to find the y coordinate of the point. Say this is the point P. To find the y coordinate of the point P, let us eliminate x from the two equations, and we get y square minus 2y equal to y, that is y equal to 0 or 3. That is, the y coordinate of this point is 3 and the y coordinate of this point is 0. And to find the required area A will be equal to, because to find area it will be more easier to use to look horizontally, and if we look horizontally, this will be the upper curve, this will be the lower curve, therefore we will be writing 0 to 3. Upper curve will have the equation x equal to this thing, that is the value of x in this curve will be minus y square plus 2y, and lower curve is this, in this the value of x is minus y. It means A is equal to 0 to 3 minus y square plus 3y and dy. This is equal to minus y cube by 3 plus 3 by 2 y square and 0 to 3. This is equal to minus 27 by 3 plus 27 by 2, that is 27 by 6, that is 9 by 2, and therefore the value of capital A is 9 by 2, and because you have to find the value of 8A, the value of 8A will become 8 into 9 by 2, that is 36.